What are solutions for solar and wind intermittency in off-grid power? Imagine a remote village powered entirely by the sun and wind, but sometimes the sky is cloudy or the wind drops. How do we keep the lights on during those quiet times? That's where clever solutions come into play. Solar and wind energy are wonderful, but their availability depends on weather and time of day, making power supply unpredictable. In off-grid systems, where there's no connection to a larger utility grid, managing this variability is essential. Engineers use a few key strategies to make sure electricity keeps flowing smoothly. One major solution is energy storage. Batteries are the most common choice because they can hold excess energy generated during sunny or windy days. When the sun sets or the wind stops, these batteries releases stored power to keep everything running. Lithium-ion batteries are popular because they last longer and charge faster. For larger setups, batteries can be scaled up to store enough energy for several days of use. Besides batteries, other storage options include flywheels, which spin to store energy, or thermal storage, which uses heat to hold energy for later use. Another approach is combining different sources of power. For example, mixing solar panels with wind turbines helps because they often produce energy at different times. When the sun isn't shining, the wind might be blowing and vice versa. Adding backup generators that run on diesel or fuel cells can also help. These generators can be turned on quickly when renewable sources and batteries aren't enough to meet demand. They act as a safety net, ensuring the system stays reliable. Smart system design is also vital. Engineers install control systems that monitor how much power is being generated, stored, and used. These systems can automatically adjust loads or shift energy use to times when renewable energy is plentiful. For example, running water pumps or charging devices during peak solar or wind hours reduces strain on batteries. Microgrids are another solution. They connect multiple energy sources, storage, and loads into a small, controlled network. Microgrids can balance power flow and maintain stable voltage and frequency, even when renewable sources fluctuate. Finally, increasing the size of renewable installations helps. Installing more solar panels or wind turbines than the average demand ensures enough power during low resource periods. Excess energy can be stored or curtailed when production exceeds demand. All these methods work together to make off-grid renewable energy systems dependable. Properly sizing batteries, combining sources, and using smart controls help keep the lights on, no matter what the weather brings. These solutions are the backbone of reliable, renewable off-grid power systems.